Nestled in the foothills of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, Santa Fe boasts a rich history and culture that makes it one of the most diverse and interesting places in the world to visit. Santa Fe means Holy Faith in Spanish, but the state's capital is often referred to as the City Different. West San Francisco Street offers a variety of restaurants and fashionable shops and is home to the famous Lensic Theater. The Santa Fe Plaza is a National Historic Landmark located in downtown Santa Fe. Annual festivals are held on the plaza that feature art, music, jewelry, and dance. It is also home to world-famous events like Fiesta de Santa Fe, the Spanish Market, the Santa Fe Bandstand, and the Santa Fe Indian Market. More than 400 years old, the plaza is a landmark that has grown into a playground for both locals and tourists who are interested in Spanish, Native American, and Mexican cultures. The Rail Yard is Santa Fe's newest gathering place for locals and visitors alike. The community space includes restaurants, art exhibits, the local farmers market, and even a park for the kids. While adobe architecture gives Santa Fe its old world charm, the mixture of contemporary and traditional atmosphere make the city a cultural treasure trove. The renowned Canyon Road stretches half a mile through the historic district of Santa Fe. Stroll down this scenic trail to experience fine art, shopping, and high-quality cuisine. From the abundance of the city's arts and natural beauty to the New Mexican culture and iconic cuisine, immerse yourself in the charm of the Southwest in Santa Fe.